Applebee's. What the fuck? Bring me chicken. It's cold. Where's my sauce? Pretzels with honey mustard.
Salt.
Cheese bites. Ranch. Applebee's cheese bites. Yum.
A lot of salt today.
And then our chicken's like cold. Like when we bite into it. These are fine. These are
Nice
warm.
warm.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. Okay,
We
I'll
just
go
get
ahead
some
and
new
make
ones.
the ones, okay?
All right. Thank
And
you.
my
And
celery?
Dr. Pepper. Yeah, I'll bring the celery with the Dr. Pepper and the sweet tea right now.
Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it.
That's good.
Onion rings.
Can you what?
Onion rings. Woohoo! Look at this. Ranch. Yum.
Aw.
So guys, yum, right?
Perfect.
That's a good onion ring. This one likes it with ketchup. How is it?
Hot.